there are a lot of tech YouTubers that kind of burn out from making videos, right? It's not as
Yeah.
much fun as it looks sometimes. Do you do you enjoy making videos all the time, or did you have any problems with burnout and stuff like that? Especially since you said you have a really high bar with your videos because they are so good and they get so many views, and this can be how's it called, a curse and what's the opposite of a curse?
Oh,
What?
blessing.
Oh yeah, right. A blessing and a curse at the same time because yeah, the video itself is successful, but setting yourself such a high bar can become difficult when you make the next video, right? Did you have any trouble with that?
Yeah.
Any sense of burnout or something like that?
So far, luckily, I personally haven't really felt burned out, and I hope to avoid that, indefinitely. But we'll see. But yeah, there is a sense of like, oh, we like set the bar like pretty high the last video. For the next video, we need to make sure it's like equal or maybe above. So there is that pressure. I think that I try to deal with that by like focusing on the value that I can give viewers, even if the production value isn't super high. I can still give people helpful information for themselves. But yeah, it's a lot of there's a lot of competing pressures, I think, when creating YouTube videos and trying to balance your own life. It's like the work-life balance kind of thing.
Yeah, for me it has been super difficult. I used to make only tutorials, basically screen recording, but I did kind of burn out doing that. It's really difficult over time. And this is one reason why I've experimented with some other kinds of videos, like this podcast here, for example, because it's a different kind of video and it's just fun to have some variation from the usual stuff.
Yeah.